Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Let's do another round of Q&A. So please post your questions on investing, mutual funds, and portfolio management in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer all of them. If the answer is short, I will post the answer there itself. If the answer warrants a full article or a video, I will do that in the coming days. Also, if the question is generic or general, then it will help more investors. So please do think about the kind of problems that you face while building a portfolio, while selecting funds, or while goal-based investing, and we will discuss them in detail. Also, you can indicate if you want that question to be handled as a Tamil video separately. I will do that as well. I have not been doing Tamil videos for quite a while, but I'll try to catch up on that as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.